We have just arrived in one of the most beautiful locations I think I've ever been in my entire life. Welcome to the Galápagos Islands. In this video, my best friend Josue and I are exploring the island of Puerto Ayora, where we'll go on a crazy excursion snorkeling around the island, hang out with a variety of marine life and land life. Whoa, buddy! He thought I was National Geographic. He said I would try to get on TV. Show you the best dining locations, and finally make our way to the island of San Cristobal. This is a video I promise you don't want to miss. So we're currently at the Blue Galápagos Hotel for the night. If you happen to look right here, this is our amazing suite. This is called the Darwin Suite. So let me go show you around. As soon as you enter through the front door, you come out into this absolutely incredible living room. I could live here. I could live here for the rest of my life. This living room is amazing. The views are so stunning. I actually cannot get over how clear the water is. There's literally sea lions right outside of the door. And on to the other half of the room. Here is my bed. Josue will be sleeping on the fold-out couch. Yeah! Then as you come outside, here is our lovely balcony, which has, of course, an amazing view. Of course, we have a baños. We have a bathroom. It's a beautiful bathroom. But I think what takes the cake for the views and just everything is 100% this living room. This living room is absolutely to die for, in my opinion. Okay, so let's go have some fun out in the Galápagos. Let's go check out the island. Scared again.
What?
Josue is always like, do you want to see something? And I get scared because it's probably something I don't want to see. And this time it is something that I actually do want to see. That is so adorable. That was 100% the biggest lobster I've ever seen in my life. Josue's been talking about eating lobster for like the past, what, like hour or something? So, I'll let Josue decide where to eat tonight because we based it off the vibe. What they were selling, how good it looked, how much it was, I guess.
Oh, yeah, but it's like, this is like a smaller street with a lot of street food places. But like, it's like everyone sells kind of the same things and they have like kind of the same price. Everything like looks very similar. So it's like you gotta decide based on your gut feeling, I guess.
Yeah, so I told him, go with your gut feeling and I'll choose whatever from the menu. And I'm really not even sure what we ordered. I just learned that you can't just up and move here to the Galápagos. You have to like be born here into this, which is really tough and very lucky people.
What?
I dare you to touch that.
No, I won't.
Hold it.
What's your name, Tenasa? Hi, Tenasa.
That's amazing.
Voy a agarrarlas ahí para que tome foto con ella. No hace nada en sí.
It's the legs that
Yeah,
scare me.
See,
I guess that's not the one that we're eating. There was a seal just like laying inside of one of these boats and he acted like he was about to just drive away. He was just gonna float away from here. Whoa, buddy! Bro. He said, let me look good for the camera. He thought I was National Geographic. He said I was trying to get on TV. My favorite thing about the Galapagos so far is not just the water and how beautiful this place is, but it's the sea life and just all the animals.
You better be ready to see me eat, like eat.
Good morning. Sadly, we are checking out of the Blue Galapagos Hotel. This place has been absolutely beautiful. The breakfast this morning was so good, and there were so many sea lions out there. They make the cutest little noises. They're so funny. Just want to compliment this backpack. A couple of months ago, I knew I was going to start traveling this year, so I bought this Wandered backpack. This thing has been absolutely amazing. I have almost all of my suitcase inside of this at the moment. Man, this thing is heavy. Oh, it's heavy, but it's comfortable to carry. Oh, even though it's so heavy. All right, so this morning, since it just started raining, it's a dreary day, but it does not take away from the views and how stunning this place is. We have some work to get done. Josue has some meetings, so we're gonna do that first. Something that's really popular for people to do here is they have these really exquisite luxury cruises that hopefully I'll be able to come back and do someday. Whoa. Thought that bird was gonna fly up in here. Let's chug this coffee and go get some work done and then have an amazing day here. Goodbye, darling, sweet. You were amazing. We're gonna try this acai place. And I really wanted to see this view. I've been dying to see this since I've been walking past it every day. Just look at how beautiful this water is. Oh, there's a crab. I better watch myself because I just looked down and there's a crab right there on this rock.
Round one.
This is hands down one of the most beautiful places I've ever seen in my entire life, and I do not want to leave. Also, I just saw a giant sea turtle out here, and I'm really hoping that we're going to see one tomorrow with where we're going. I know we're going to see sharks, which I'm thrilled about. I also learned that we're actually here during the cold season. It's not like it's that cold. It's a little bit chilly. It's been cloudy, a little bit rainy. They said that that's normal between, I think it was July to October, and of course we're here in September. But even though it's chilly and the off season for being really warm, I'm really not mad about it. I love this place and it's gorgeous either way, and I'm happy to be here. I just saw my first Galapagos shark. They have been a baby. It's but I'm so excited. I can't wait to see like the giant sharks tomorrow. Yeah. So we came back to the same place that we were at last night. It was so good. Hey. What are we getting tonight? That's like the same thing we got last night.
So we decided to get everything that they sell. Like we were like, just bring everything.
We're about to try octopus for the first time. Never tried octopus before, so I'm excited and scared. That's sick.
Cheers. You don't want to touch that.
The fact that you can get all of this food for what, $40?
Not each, or 40 for both of us.
Like split between us, so 20 to 20. Good morning. As you can see, I have an allergic reaction on my face. I don't know what it's to, but it started in Colombia, and it's just like slowly gotten worse every day. So you're probably gonna see this a lot today. I should probably get some medicine. This morning, we're gonna go eat some breakfast downstairs, and then we're going to all these insanely beautiful places, and we're gonna snorkel. So let's go have a fun day. Let's go. Was talking to this guy in Spanish. I see him getting on the front of the boat. I didn't know what they were saying, and now we're riding literally on top of the front of the boat.
Safety first.
Everybody else is inside of the blue part.
Everybody else got to like that.
I'm kind of nervous. Oh, we're gonna get to see the blue-footed boobies here?
Also, today might be the best day we've had here. Like,
yeah, how do we look up with that? It's been a little bit rainy, a little bit chilly. It's still been beautiful, but today it's like warming up and the sun's coming out. I'm trying to catch a tan. So walking back to the boat, we ended up finding this, and it literally looks like Gatorade water. It's so stunning. They put us on the front again, kind of feeling like the captain. gosh, they heard me. So this time we definitely have to hold on for dear life. Look at these waves out here. Oh, something just stung me. Okay, my foot. Coming back into the harbor. Some of these boats are insane. We just got out here to Tortuga Bay. This is definitely one of the most beautiful beaches I've ever seen in my entire life. This beach definitely goes for miles. Okay, so we made it from like really far down the beach to this whole other side. Look at what's on the beach right now. The side of the beach is definitely a lot more crowded, but it's so beautiful. We just walked to the very end and people like came running off the beach. They're like, hammerhead, there's a hammerhead shark. But apparently it wasn't like a giant one, it was just like a little baby hammerhead shark. That's literally my favorite shark. I didn't get to see it. To walk down to get back to town and then go find some food. So we got a pizza tonight that's got like shrimp. I think the catch of the day. What else is on here? Oh, an octopus. First impressions. This is actually so good. Good morning. We just checked out of the castle. Now we gotta run to catch this ferry over to San Cristobal. It's 6:15. We're supposed to be there at 6:15, and we're like probably 15 minutes of a walk away. Wake it up. Rise and grind. About right into that pole. Let's have a good day.
Take the front seat. That was... I cannot describe what I felt.
I think everybody on that boat was fighting for their life.
Yeah.
I thought I was gonna be okay, and then there was times where I thought that boat was gonna flip. Then we saw this island, and I was like, wow, this is so beautiful. And then it got calm, and I was like, oh, finally, we're like out of the wilderness. Once we got past that island, yeah. Once we got, I sat backwards in the seat the whole time so I could literally just look around and not get sick. And then all of a sudden it started to kind of hit me. And then once we got past that island, I was like, oh, I'm going down. I'm either about to pass out or I'm really about to get sick. And I started looking around the boat and everybody was on the same page. There was this one guy, he was double patched up with Dramamine. 0 out of 10 recommend. Never again.
No.
But we made it to San Cristobal. So after doing little to no research, we're gonna go check out this hotel and see if we can get a room there. Yes, we did come to San Cristobal without even booking a place to stay.
You shouldn't do that.
Yeah. Looks really pretty and looks promising. Look how gorgeous this is. Can you hear Josue's shoe squeaking? I've been listening to that for nearly 2 weeks and I can't handle it anymore. I'm just kidding. We literally can't find anyone. Like, we've searched this whole building and no one's working, and we've called the number like 3 times. So apparently you have to call, and if you have a reservation, then they'll come up here and then they'll help you with the check-in process. But Josue called like 3 times and no one answered. Finally got a room. So we're gonna go see what's going on at night here. Look at how delicious this acai bowl looks. Yup. One thing is for sure, the nightlife at both places are always going on. People are so lively. There's so many shops and all these different diving spots where you can go inside and talk to them about like diving, kick a rock, for example. That was something I really wanted to do this trip that we're not gonna get to do. But for me, as a certified scuba diver and rescue diver, kick a rock was something that really stood out to me that I really wanted to do. And there's all these different beaches that you can go to, so there's plenty of things to do, whether you wanna go snorkeling or walking and seeing different sea life. They've got different places like Wreck Bay Diving Center here, and 360 Tour is another really big one. Josue ordered tuna, and I've never tried tuna before, so I'm about to try tuna for the first time. It looks crazy. I like it a lot. I was just looking around the pool area and I looked down, and I've got to show you this. I hope you can see it in the camera. So you've got the pool area here, and as you look over, there's a whole beach full of sea lions, and they're all just yelling. Oh my god. If you're coming to the Galapagos, I would definitely highly recommend staying here as well, because this place is so stunning. Good morning. I saw this cute little restaurant. It looks like it's on the beach. It's called Sunrise and Coffee, so we're gonna go check that out, and then we're gonna go to Playa Mann, which is on the whole other side of this island. But we only have a few hours here until we leave, so let's go get some breakfast, and then we're gonna go to the beach today. Cafe con leche and breakfast, and the juice as well. Gracias. Did you like my mix of Spanish and English? I think they call that Spanglish. Sometimes if it's too early in the morning, my Spanish just isn't really working. The Galapagos Islands is one of the most beautiful places I've ever been in my entire life. The water is just so blue. The beaches are unlike any beach I've personally have ever seen before. Sea lions are like my new favorite thing. Here on the island, it seems like they always have a juice of the day. This one is blueberry, so I'm excited to try this. It's really good. We finally made it. This beach is so beautiful. It's just full of all the sea life. There's so many crabs out here, and a ton of sea lions, of course. I'm so sad to leave, but in the next video, we'll be going throughout all of Ecuador Ecuador, starting in Quito as soon as we get back there tonight. And we'll be road tripping all of Ecuador for the next month. From the beaches to the Amazon to the Cotopaxi, so stay tuned for that because it's going to be incredible. Look at this guy, he's like, let me flex. Put me on Animal Planet. Just came flying up, he caught a fish, and then he came flying up here at the dock towards me. Look at the rain. Ooh. Don't catch my double chin from this angle.
It's a whole experience just because you see the food like right there. Like, literally food there.